We'll get there. Don't worry, people. We're going to get there. This Chinese electric supercar can drive on 3 wheels and jump in the air. That's what I need my car to do.
Huh? That's pretty cool, eh?
I just need to jump a couple of, like there's a speed bump, like boop, boop. It's like a video game.
Yeah.
A couple of inches. I'm not sure. What do they claim is the reason for that? Why it would want to jump?
I think it's just a random cool factor.
The company is called Yang Wang, and it's BYD's luxury electric sub-brand, and the U9 is its first supercar. Battery power and performance specs should be revealed next week, but BYD smartly revealed this trick suspension system first, as it's far more interesting. Sick. All right, play the clip.
This is pretty cool.
Driving. Car looks sick. The song is predictable. Futuristic. What?
Look at that.
What?
Huh?
What? Hey, wait a second. It's lacking one tire. The front passenger side wheel and tire is missing, and yet it's still stabilizing itself, showcasing a real tricky suspension situation.
Yeah, and it's really low to the ground.
Even if one wheel is taken off, the vehicle equipped with Disus X still showcased its ability to dance, jump, and drive.
I don't see the dancing and jumping. But...
You don't? That's what I see. That's how I dance. That's how I dance, Will. I don't know. What is the purpose of this? Maybe you have a flat tire and you don't got to worry about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess
some really weird scenario.
The suspension can raise or lower the car at each corner independently, but if it raises each corner quickly, the kinetic energy is enough to jump the U9 an inch or two off the ground. If you're wondering what the practical application for a hopping car is, stop being a square. It's just cool. This is the language of the drive.com posting the article. It's cool. I think it's a showcase of how dynamic their suspension system is, essentially. To say, like, look, if the thing can jump an inch off ground or drive with just 3 wheels, then it means we have all kinds of capabilities to stabilize and smooth out rough roads and whatever else. But yeah, here it is. This is more dancey, but they're also kind of putting it in shadows and stuff. And suspension looks sick. Car looks sick. All right. I want more electric cars that look like this. Sure.
And it's a really cool looking car.
Yeah, it looks sort of like a Corvette Meta. What is it? What is it like combined with? I don't know. It looks a lot like the recent Corvette.
Looks funny. The way that it's like just bouncing,
bobbing about. Well, those cartoon cars did that in Cars. Oh, there's the jump. Yeah. Boom. Oh, and slow mo. That's sick. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I don't care. We don't need a reason. We're just gonna do this
jumping car.
Imagine in the parking lot. It's like, hey man, I'm gonna just jump my car right now. The guy's like, what are you talking about? And you're like, my car? I'll just jump it like a few inches off the ground in one position. Bet you $100.
Can your car do that? Huh?
I'll bet you $100. They're like, okay, sure, bud. Okay, and then just hopping. Yeah. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.